Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my class on ecosystem functions. This topic is a part of ecology, ecosystem ecology. In our introduction class we learned that there are three kinds of ecology can be divided into three categories. That is ecosystem ecology, community ecology, and population ecology. And this is a topic from ecology and under ecosystem functions, we will learn about food chain. First, we will learn how energy flow happens, and then we will learn about food chains, then about food webs, and then how these energy flow can, when put in a graphical representation, it is called energy pyramids. So, different kinds of pyramids we will learn. So, let's begin the class. Before we dive deep into that, first let's understand that energy flow in ecosystem is also governed by a law of thermodynamics, and of all the laws of thermodynamics, first and second laws apply in this. So the first law, as we all learned in our school, that the first law states that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only be transformed from one form to another. So it's the law also states that the amount of energy in this universe is constant. So it can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can only change forms. So this is the first law. And the second law states that the transformation that occurs from one form to another cannot occur spontaneously unless there is some degradation of energy. So what this means is, for example, the source of energy for all life forms is light. I'll tell you how. So sunlight, plants take sunlight through photosynthesis. This light energy is converted into chemical energy by plants, and this chemical energy is stored in the plants in the form of organic molecules, and these organic molecules, when the herbivores, the plant eating animals, eat these plants, these organic molecules, this chemical energy is converted into kinetic energy. And for this to happen, there is some form of degradation of energy. By degradation, I mean there is some loss of energy that is happening. And why is that loss of energy happening? Because the organism, or for example, here the herbivore which just ate a plant has taken that energy from the plant. Now the energy has moved from plant to the herbivore, but it is not able to pass on that full 100% of energy to a primary consumer, to a carnivore, because most, that is 90% of the energy is consumed by the herbivore itself, and because it requires energy for survival, like respiration, digestion, etc., and some of this energy is lost in the form of heat, and this loss is what the second law of thermodynamics is talking about. So I hope this is clear. Next,